Hey everyone, welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. We're back at North Texas Karters in Denton, Texas for an 8-lap pre-final in the 100cc Masters class. Starting on pole in 236 is Evan. Next to him in cart 15 is his wife, Anna. How cool is that? John is in 234 starting third. I'm starting fourth, and behind me is both Dennis and Darren. Looking for green. Green flag, here we go. All right, we all survived turn one, so that's good. Watch John in 234 on the bottom. Kart gets very sideways. He's able to save it. The shot didn't do it justice to how sideways he was. Super impressive save, maybe the best save I've ever seen in karting. Fantastic driving. Darren in 71 gets ahead of me in the fourth spot. It's a pretty cool day, and it's actually getting a little bit cooler as the day progresses. It's going to take about a lap or two for the tires to completely warm up and get some pretty good grip. We're going to see if we can make some moves during the race. That is Dennis in the 99 cart behind me there. I ordered a camera mount. If you look just ahead of me to the left of Darren, you can see the mount. There's no camera on there. I think that's the same camera mount I ordered. I'm looking forward to using it and giving you guys a different angle. I'm not a fan of this front fairing mount. I just don't think it shows you everything that's going on in the race. There should be 10 drivers in this race. Doug, unfortunately, on this very corner, on the very first lap of the very first practice of the day, someone spun out. Doug had nowhere to go, and Doug ran into him and unfortunately bent his chassis in a spot that cannot be bent back. So that chassis is trash, and Doug could not continue. Look for him to be in a future race, though. So Doug, this one's for you, buddy. Got a little bit of a run on Darren there, but just I ran out of time there and just going to settle back in. Look to the inside briefly, but it's not there. We'll just settle in. Let's see if I can try him on the straightaway. Dennis is still close behind us as well. It's going to be a right-left. I got to get really close and get a good run. So I'm in the draft here. Start to get the run. I'm going to look to the inside and make the move into fourth spot. Kart goes high. I carried too much speed in the corner, and Darren crossed over and took his spot back pretty easy there. That turn one, I'm still not comfortable with that turn. It's a cool turn, but it's a berm, and if you go over it, you're going to go for a ride that I have no interest in being on. So I definitely need to work on that corner there. It's definitely not one of my stronger corners. Trying to set him up again, just don't get a good bite, and he opens up on me a little bit. I'm just going to have to hang out a little bit longer. It's not going to happen on this lap. Looks like we are halfway. Front three carts have kind of broken away just a little bit, and then there's the next three carts. I'm going to try to set him up on the straightaway. So we're going to work hard here to stay real close to him to get that run. Pretty good. I get a really good exit here. I'm right on his tail. Stay in the draft for a little bit. Look to the inside. Last time I slid up the track. Let's see what happens this time. Lock it down. I'm in the fourth. Now I'm in a third spot. What happened? Let's take a look. Up ahead, that is Anna outside of her husband Evan, and she runs out of racetrack, I guess. I'm not sure what happened there, but she slid off the track. Fortunately, she did not hit anything, so there was no damage to the kart. That would have been a very expensive accident had both husband and wife gotten into a wreck together. Could you imagine the drive home if that happened? I didn't know them prior to this race weekend. Both Evan and Anna, super, super nice people. And again, I didn't know they were husband and wife. I think that's pretty cool. They're in the same race, and they're both really fast drivers, so that's just really neat. All right, so I find myself in third spot. So going back to the move that I made to get into fourth, I slowed down a lot more to keep the cart to the bottom to defend against a crossover move, and it worked. So, you know, I'm still learning how to drive these karts and learning how to manage a race and make these moves and make these moves stick. So that was a good learning lesson for me. Looks like we're coming up on the last lap. John's in the lead, and then Evan's behind him. I'm looking for them to battle so I can try to catch up. So we've opened up the gap a little bit, back to fourth. Looking for a move to happen here. Doesn't happen. It would have been good for me. So at this point right here, I'm just going to probably finish in third spot. But it's a good finish because I'm going to start in third for the final, which of course I'm going to post after this. So we bring it down the straightaway for the final time in this race, and we bring it home in third. Good race. Got some confidence out of the car, or got some confidence out of this race rather. Still getting more familiar with the kart, but I'm feeling better about it. Have more work to do, but not a bad finish. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one. Y'all take it easy.